Lion roars so big and bright, shakes its mane with all its might. Roar! Two monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing, playing wild and free. Ooh, ah, ah, Tudor tiger creeps so soft and slow, with big striped fur that starts to glow. There the parrot talks and flaps so high, colors bright up in the sky. Squawk! Rabbit hops on tiny feet, long ears twitch, oh so sweet. Boing boing! Duck goes quack and swims around, paddling fast without a sound. Boing boing! Turtle walks so nice and slow, carries its home wherever it goes. Munch munch! A dolphin jumps up from the sea, spinning, splashing, wild and free. Old elephant stomps so big and strong, with a trunk that's super long. Toot toot toot! Puppy runs and wags its tail, chasing fun without fail.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.